Hello everyone, for this tutorial video, I'd like to demonstrate how to make a Breakout or Arkanoid style game, which has somewhat more sophisticated mathematics than the other types. Although, it is still relatively easy to understand from a common sense perspective once you break it down. In particular, I'd like to focus on the paddle first, as that is what the player controls. So you would check when the green flag is clicked for when the program is started. And then we would detect when the player moves the mouse. And then have it go toward the mouse. Like so. Note that because of the way the code is organized, it only happens once and then never again. And it will also attempt to move off the screen in order to follow the mouse pointer. However, we can fix the one-shot thing by having it repeat on a forever loop. Like so. Although we did not fix everything about it, as it will still always go off the screen if the mouse pointer is off the screen. And we also want it to remain at the same vertical position and only change the horizontal position. Which is what I will explain how to do in the next tutorial video. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this video informative, and make sure to see other tutorial videos, and follow me on either Facebook or Twitter for more content.